Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholars School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear student, most welcome to all of you. Inshallah, today we are going to discuss two more creative questions from geometry part. So, firstly, let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound, everything okay? Can we start our class formally? Number C, if y equal 45 degree, then show or prove that PQSR is a parallelogram. So dear students, this is our question. I think this is clear to all of you. The first question here, the given information AB and CD both are parallel here, and inside the parallel line you see here PR is a one line and QS is another line, transversal or intersector, and RQ. So this information is clear to you, and this angle PRQ equal to times of X and SRQ equal X, and this angle is also given here as a Y, SQD angle equal Y. So first question, find the value of angle ARP. Second question, show that triangle PQR is an isosceles right angle triangle. And question number C, if y equal 45 degree, then prove that PQSR is a parallelogram. And this is our questions. So now we will solve this one by one. Here CPR angle equal 135 degree, and CPR is 135 degree. In the two different methods you can find that value of angle. This one, if CD and AB both are parallel line and PR is a transversal here, then these two angles will be interior angle. We all know sum of two interior angle is 180 degree. This is one method. Another method, if this angle is 35 degree, this one will be 180 minus 35. So both are alternate angle. So now RPQ angle equal 180 minus 135. That means this angle will be 45 degree angle. This one is 45 degree. Again ARP angle equal RPQ angle. So in the side note you can write here alternate angle. So this angle value is 45 degree. So finally we can write our answer. ARP angle is 45 degree angle here. This is our question number A answer. My dear students, let me clear again. If this angle is 135, definitely this two angle is 180 degree, the straight angle. So if this one is 35 degree angle, remaining part will be 180 minus 35, 135. That means this one is 45 degree angle. If this one is 45 degree angle, these both angle are same because they are the alternate angle when AB and CD parallel and PR is a transversal. This angle is clear now. And now question number B, and give attention here. Question number B. Show that PQR is an isosceles right angle triangle. So this angle is 45 degree angle here. Again, this one will be now we can start it from here. This is star mark angle ARP angle here, ARP angle plus PRQ angle plus QRS angle is 180 degree, and together they make a straight angle here. So now we can place their value. This angle is 45 degree from answer A. This angle is twice x. This one is given here, x total 180 degree. This one is 45 degree. This is the value is twice x. This value is x. Now we can write here 3 times of x equal 180 minus 45 degree angle. And now we can write here x equal 135 divided by 3. So after doing the divide, we can write here 3 4s are 12, then 3 5. This is the 45. So value of x is 45 degree. So if value of x is 45 degree, finally we can twice x. Value of x is 45 degree, and this is the one part here, and finally now this is x value is 45 degree. Indicate you here this the 2 times of 45 degree. This one is 90 degree. 45 multiplied 2, 90. So this angle will be 90 degree, this one 45 degree, this one 45 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, definitely RPQ triangle will be a right angle triangle because one angle is 90 degree. The 2 times of 45 is 90 degree. So this PRQ is a right angle triangle. So our first information is done. So here so finally you can write here PRQ angle equal 2 times of 45 degree equal 90 degree. So PQR is a right angle triangle. This is the first word. Answer is complete. Now second information show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So what is the requirement of isosceles? If one angle is 90 degree, that means the triangle will be a right angle triangle. But isosceles triangle, we have to show their 2 sides will be equal. If the 2 sides are equal, then the triangle will be an isosceles triangle. Now give attention to the second part of the question here. We can start it from here again. The second part. Now let me review this angle here. In triangle PQR in triangle PQR, what we see here, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 45 degree, and definitely remaining angle are RQP angle will be sum of three angles is 180 degree. So if the two angles, one angle is 90 degree, another angle is 45 degree, definitely the remaining angle will also be 45 degree. After doing calculation, we see here this angle is 90 degree because we have shown here, and this angle is 45 degree, already we have shown this one in the question. So one angle is 90, another angle is 45 degrees. So third angle, unknown angle will be 180 minus sum of two given angle. This remaining angle is also 45 degree. So dear students, we will discuss here. This is the 45 degree angle, and now here we see here two angles are same. When the two angles are same in a triangle, and opposite side of the equal angle always equal. If we consider this is the 45 degree angle, so opposite side of this 45 degree angle is PR, and opposite side of this 45 degree angle is RQ. Here angle RPQ equal angle RQP equal 45 degree. So we can write here PR equal QR. So PQR is an isosceles triangle. This is our final answer or shown. So this is the 45 degree angle. Question number C. Given that SQD equal Y equal 45 degree. And here, if this angle is 45 degree, definitely this angle will be 45 degree. You can write here 45 degree angle. So here SQD angle equal RSQ. This is interior alternate angle. And if this angle is 45 degree, definitely this one will be 45 degree angles. So this angle is also the 45 degree angle. Finally, we can say here two opposite angle are equal. This angle is 45 degree angle, this one is 45 degree angle. Again, x equal 45 degree already we know, and s equal 45 degree. Again, QRS angle equal x equal 45 degree angle, QRS equal x equal 45 degree angle. Already we have shown in the question number B. Equal this angle is equal with this one RSQ, or we can write here RSQ SQD equal RSQ. Both are the 45 degree angle. So when the two angles are same, their side will be same. We can write here RQ equal US. From B we get RQ equal PR. So PR equal SQ. So these two sides are equal to, okay, my dear students, in the quadrilateral PQSR, there are two opposite sides are equal. Here RSQ angle equal RPQ angle equal 45 degree angle. So two opposite sides and two opposite angle are equal. Here opposite sides, two opposite sides and two opposite angles are equal. So PQSR is a ground. So this is another characteristic of a parallelogram. If we draw here like this is a parallelogram, when the two opposite angle will be equal and their two opposite side will be equal, this indicates you here PQRS is a parallelogram. When the two opposite sides are equal and two opposite angle will be equal, definitely another two opposite angle will be equal and parallel. So So my dear student, this is your homework. Define adjacent angle and find two adjacent angle of PRQ and find the value of angle X. Identify the name of the triangle PQR according to their sides and angle. So my dear students, hopefully inshallah you will submit this question as early as possible. In the video editing session, inshallah I will try to add here solution of the created question. First question, define adjacent angle and find two adjacent angle of PRQ. We can write the solution here. When two angles have a common vertex and a common ray, they are called adjacent angle to each other. Here two adjacent angle of PRQ. Angle PRQ is the angle PRQ is QRD and PRC because they have common vertex. When if we consider they are just an angle and they have common vertex R and common ray RQ. When we consider these two angles are adjacent angle, they have common ray RP and the common vertex R. That's why two adjacent angle of ether is ether and ether. The first question answer is complete. Now question number B, let me review the answer. Question number B, find the value of angle X. It's too much easy question. This one is 120 degree. Definitely this one will be 60 degree. Here APR angle is 120 degree. So we can write here RPQ angle equal 180 minus 120, that is the 60 degree angle. If the two sides are equal, their opposite angle must be equal. Again PR equal RQ. So we can write here RQP angle must be equal with RPQ. And while the RPQ is 60 degree, definitely this angle is also the 60 degree. So now we can say here this one is 60 degree. When the two sides are equal, that this equal side indicate you here RQ, opposite angle of RQ is P and opposite angle of RP is Q. Definitely when the two sides are equal, their opposite angle must be equal. So these two angles are same. And finally now let me clear, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. When these two angles are 60 degree, so remaining angle must be So angle X is, the value of angle X is 180 minus 60 plus 60 degree. So this X is also a 60 degree. The value of X is 60 degree, and this is our answer. Now this is a question number C. Identify the triangle PQR according to their angle. So we see here each angle is 60 degree, all are acute angle. Definitely the triangle PQR is an acute angle triangle, because here PRQ angle is 60 degree, RPQ angle is 60 degree, PQR is 60 degree. Three angles are acute angle and they are smaller than 90 degree. This indicates you, according to the angle, this triangle is acute angle triangle. And also we see here three angles are same. Definitely three angle must be, when the three angles same, three sides must be same. In our previous classes we said here equiangular triangle must be equilateral triangle, so three sides also be same. Whenever three sides same, this is the equilateral triangle. So now we will write down the answer here. Question number C answer. If we try to formally answer question number C, here in triangle PQR, angle P equal, angle Q equal, angle R equal, all are 60 degree. So all are equal in measure, and each angle is smaller than 90 degree. So triangle PQR is an acute angle triangle, and again equiangular triangle is an equilateral triangle. So triangle PQR is an acute angle and equilateral triangle. This is our final answer, question number C. Or successively you can show here two opposite angle equal, two side equal. When these two angles are equal, these two side will be equal. When these two angles are equal, these opposite two side equal. So by using equation you can show that three sides of the triangle are equal and they are also equilateral triangle. So my dear students, thank you very much. Those who have enjoyed this class, hopefully if you have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully see you again with you in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Don't forget to subscribe Triangular Kamal.